Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, if you're just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. If you watched my morning video, I was having I recharged 680 USDT, but right now, as you can see, look at my income. So, and I want to be showing withdrawal proof right now. I want to be showing withdrawal proof of this particular platform, Raysbot. So, and also I will be putting down the link on the description for anybody that wants to join. There is link on the description for you to try out. So let me quickly show you my Trust wallet, and for you to see that I have nothing there. I only have in my Theta, I have nothing. I'll be withdrawing to this wallet so that you see how it works. As you can see, I have 00 USDT here. So let's try out to see if this platform is really working, and if the withdrawal is really working. I want to do the live video. Like I said before, if you want to join, there is link on the description. Okay. So for instance, if you want to do withdrawal, you come to me, which is this place. This is my profile, which is me. They come to that place, they click on this withdrawal. Once you click on it, if you have banned Google Authenticator, you will use Google Authenticator to withdraw. But right now my network is poor. So right now I want to see, because I've done withdrawal proof before. I've done it before, but I did not make the video. But right now I want to do the whole withdrawal to see if I can be able to take all my money, or you understand. So if you look very well, you see that. Okay, let me withdraw 692.27, 692.27. Okay, so I'll quickly go to my Google Authenticator, because I'm using Google Authenticator. So, but if you have password, you can use password. So I've entered it, I submit. 692.27. My network is low, but let's keep watching. Okay, withdrawal successful. Let me check my Trust wallet to see. Let me check my Trust wallet to see. Okay, let me keep refreshing to see when it will arrive. I'm still waiting to see how long it will take for it to arrive. It is supposed to come here, so let me keep trying. Wow, as you can see, it has entered here. It has entered. So they took their own percentage, and it entered. The withdrawal worked. So that is it. So I'll go back to recharge again. At least, even if I trade for just 1 week. Yes, even if it is just 1 week I trade, I will have to run, because I don't know how long they are going to last. Because the platform just came in yesterday. So if I trade one, I believe they will last more than 1 week. So I will just run the trading for just 1 week or more, and find my way. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing. Have a lovely day.